Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video we're gonna try to install the Apple Store in your Android device. So what you do here, open the browser of your Android device, just type here apps.apple.com. Once you've got this here, what you do here, click on three dots, find out this option install. So click here and click to install. And back here to ask you again to install the application, so click to install the App Store and we will get to download. And you can see, here we go, which is over here in the notification bar. We're gonna close the browser and we get back here in the menu. You can see we have the Apple App Store and we can search for any application or game from here, but I don't think so. It's going to give you the iOS version of the applications or games. You can just only review the apps and check for them. So that's all. It was a nice try to get App Store application. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick install videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.